extra spooky today. I need somebody.
So Mila, what comes in the box?
We're starting right now. So we have a little gingerbread house, a little bat that we found.
There's little bats in there?
Yep, see? And little bones. And some jelly beans.
Cool. What are these over here? Some
Orange frosting and some black frosting. No.
Cool.
I know it looks like blue, but it's not blue, it's black.
Cool. All right. Well, let's get started.
Let's started. So first I'm gonna take a black icing and I'm gonna take this piece of the gingerbread house and we're gonna put it this way and we're just gonna use the black frosting to use that piece that I'm icing. And you're just gonna push as hard as you can.
Need a little more oomph to it. You got it?
I think I'm trying.
All right. Here, let me help out real quick. I'm gonna maybe cut a little more hole in it. Hold on.
The haunted house is put together. Now that we're gonna begin the decorations. So first thing, I know you can see that I have a little pumpkin there, and we're gonna add 3 more pumpkins, which is we already did 1, so now we're gonna add 2 more. Take some black frosting. So you can see that, and then you're just gonna put that there. And then you're going to take another one and you're just going to put it under that, like the same one, and put it here. And then just going to put it there. And then maybe this goes here. Let's get this one. I think it needs more frosting. Yeah, can I have a bead?
Sure.
Now we're gonna make some of our onion pumpkins with some orange frosting and do the side of the house like this. And there we go. Just gonna put some. There we go. There, I did 2 lines. We just want to show you. Then we're going to keep going. And then we're going to add some jelly beans to the side.
Hey Matthew, do you want to come help put jelly beans on? Okay, maybe some other time for that. Oh, Mila, don't forget you got bats, bones, and other little treats over there too.
I know. I'm going to add that right after we ran out of jelly beans or something. Yep. Not enough roll. So we finished our haunted house. Make sure you and make sure you get your haunted house at Trader Joe's. Bye. Oh, actually, subscribe to my channel. Bye.